Well, I like to see that we've achieved the goals, that we've reached the goals, that we've been able to end poverty and all the 17 goals. I think it's possible. It's going to take a lot of work and dedication from all over the world and from all our world leaders. So we have to keep them honest. And I think that's the big challenge always when it comes to these things is to make it personal. How does it really affect me? Because we're constantly bombarded with all these horror stories and doomsday theories. And if we don't do all this, well, all these horrible consequences are going to happen. But it's difficult to get the emotional connection. Then we click on a little movie about a cat that's doing something funny, and we have the real emotional response. How do we do that? I think it's always about making it, just trying to use our imagination to see how would this affect me.